Day 3 for Army Recognition Editorial team at BIDEC 2019, the Bahrain International Defense Exhibition in Manama. Today we will focus to the presence of the international defense industry. We are now on the United Arab Emirates pavilion. They present a wide range of different types of defense and security equipment, including small weapons, and we are now behind me, you can see Cobra assault rifles. But now UAE has also the capacity to develop different types of military equipment, including remote weapon station, combat vehicles, security and control equipment, and more.
Well, good afternoon and thank you very much for sparing the time to actually stand and talk with me. The main reason we are situated, our head office is in the United Arab Emirates, is to support the ongoing issues some of the Middle Eastern countries face across the world. So in particular, any issues with Yemen, etc., we supply armoured vehicles to support those missions. We have 5 vehicles on display at the moment. Behind me we have one of our Python vehicles, which is built on a Toyota TLC 79 chassis, which is suitable for troop carrying and rapid response. Further behind we have a Lexus B7 limousine SUV, which is for the, should we say, the executive in the country. And further on from there we have the Python, which is based on the TLC 200 chassis, which is more for the senior officers. And also to my right we have the Spartan, which is based on a Ford F550 heavy-duty chassis. The reason we've chosen this range of vehicles is predominantly to highlight to our customers that we can deal with ordinary urban combat, so streets, and we have the vehicle capability to do that. Well, Streit Group are always looking at the next available or advanced armouring techniques. On average, we have a stock holding almost up to 1,000 vehicles at any one time to support our clients' requirements. Those are ordinarily, they're ready to ship within 7 working days to our clients across the world. So we're always looking at what the client requirements are, the sorties or combat missions that they're encountering, be it IEDs, landmines, and we will provide the vehicles to suit those mission statements. The Streit Group is one of the world's largest privately owned armoured vehicle companies. We pride ourselves on delivering the best of the best. We don't sell off-the-shelf solutions. We speak and sit with our customers, often in their own countries, to establish exactly what their requirements are, and the vehicles are designed and manufactured to those requirements.
I am Amit Kumar, Deputy Director and Scientist C at DRDO Otokar, Directorate of Public Interface, DRDO. We are representing India. This is the first time we are in the BIDEC, Bahrain, and 2007 edition we have not participated, and this is a very great opportunity for us that in the second edition of BIDEC we are participating, and we have the 4 organizations which are participating here, Bharat Dynamics Limited, Ordnance Factory Board, Midhani, and DRDO. DRDO is the research and development wing of Ministry of Defence, Government of India, which is responsible for R&D in the field of the equipments which is required by Army, Navy and Air Force of the Indian Navy. So we cater for all the requirements of armed forces of India, and we do R&D for them, and then our production agencies produce them, and then it get inducted into the Indian Armed Forces. So our work is the R&D work. So we are here with the 11 world-class products which are export ready, and it can be exported to the world, like it can be exported to all the Middle East countries. So we are here hoping for an opportunity to export our products which can be inducted to the armed forces of the different Middle East nations. So we are also expecting that we will collaborate with the different other participating countries to have knowledge about their products, and in turn we will also display our products. So it is a collaborative and a symbiotic relation that we are looking for India and Bahrain. And India and Bahrain is going to be a bright future, and I request all the persons, all the exhibitors and the different Middle East nations to come to the India Pavilion and have that what we have to offer for them. I am definite and sure that we will have a lot of products for them and which can be inducted to them. DRDO has came to a stage. Like DRDO was established in 1958. So India got independence in 1947. In 1958, dedicated R&D wing of Ministry of Defence was established. That is called DRDO, Defence Research and Development Organization. So right from that time, now we have become or reached to the stage where we have the export potential. So from the indigenization to export, now that is our journey process, and we are also on the development of the next level where we can develop more products for the different demanding countries. And that is our motto. We believe in Balas Simul Vigyanam. Balas Simul Vigyanam means the origin of a strength is science. So believe that the origin of power is from science. So with this philosophy, we are working for the betterment of this armed forces of India as well as the different countries, and we are hoping for a better future for the India and the different companion countries.
My name is Cem Kurter. I am the general manager and co-founder of UNIDEF company. UNIDEF is a very young company located in Turkey. UNIDEF was established by 2013, and our main activity is the weapon integration on the naval platforms, aerial platforms, and land platforms. We cooperate with different weapon suppliers such as Ohio Ordnance Works and Profense Company. They are our subcontractors providing conventional machine guns and miniguns for UNIDEF. In Turkey, UNIDEF integrates these weapon systems on helicopters, naval platforms and the ground platforms. UNIDEF design and develops the related gun mounts and the floor interfaces, and then we integrate the sight systems on our mounting system. UNIDEF is responsible for the after-sales services of the weapon systems, training and designing of the mounting system. Actually, in our studies, our focus is to design the related mounting system specifically for the tactical needs. And of course, we don't modify the platforms. This is the main characteristic of our business because we don't touch to the hull. We are using the existing infrastructures on the platforms, and we design our mounting system good for this infrastructure. This is our S70i Black Hawk mounting system. UNIDEF is responsible to design this mounting system dedicated to each platform. This is our Black Hawk concept. It is retractable gun mount, good for minigun weapon system. This installation, this integration became combat proven in Turkey. And apart from it, we have another system which is designed for AC-532 Cougar helicopters. For the first time in the world, minigun weapon system was integrated on Cougar helicopters in Turkey. This system also is combat proven, and UNIDEF is responsible to design the gun mounts and the floor interfaces. Apart from it, we are working on the Chinook helicopter. This is our first prototype. The R&D studies are still going on. And in Bahrain, we made a demonstration with Bahrain Air Force for AB412 helicopters. This is our concept design. And the R&D studies are still ongoing for this concept as well. Apart from it, UNIDEF is the one of the main contractors of the Turkish Navy for the integration of the minigun on the fast attack boats. As long as our capacity is improving, we aim at extending our servicing capacity to the overseas market, and therefore we are here, and we try to execute a contract in Bahrain for our weapon integration solutions, and we hope to be the main contractor.